Welcome back, guys. As the title suggests, in this video, I'm going to share some of the absolute best hacking tools to kickstart your journey into the world of hacking. I mean ethical hacking. Remember, folks, we're here to break systems with permission, not hearts or laws. So stick around till the end, because by the time we're done, you'll have a toolbox that even the most skilled ethical hackers would envy. Before proceeding, a quick disclaimer. Starting with number 5, Aircrack NG. Ever wondered how secure your Wi-Fi really is? Spoiler alert, if you're still using password 123, Aircrack NG is here to expose the ugly truth about your wireless security. This suite of tools is specifically designed for auditing Wi-Fi networks, letting you monitor, capture, and analyze packets of data flying through the air. It can even crack weak passwords and outdated encryption faster than your neighbor can steal your Netflix. Lightweight yet powerful, Aircrack NG is every ethical hacker's best friend for showing just how easily poorly secured networks can be breached. So unless you want your Wi-Fi to become the neighborhood hotspot, maybe it's time to upgrade those passwords. Coming to number 4, we have Burp Suite. Want to uncover hidden weaknesses in a website? Burp Suite is like the Swiss Army knife of web security. If the knife had a laser focus on tearing apart websites, ethically of course, this wildly popular tool works by intercepting and analyzing the data exchange between your browser and a website, kind of like eavesdropping on a conversation, but for a good cause. With Burp Suite, you can sniff out common flaws like weak login systems, insecure forms, and unprotected APIs faster than a hacker finds your old MySpace account. Whether you're an advanced user diving deep with manual tools or a beginner letting the automated scanner do the heavy lifting, Burp Suite has your back. Its intuitive interface makes web security testing feel less like rocket science and more like solving a fun but important puzzle. That's everything you want to know about Burp Suite. So now jumping to the next amazing tool at number 3, Wireshark. Ever wondered what's happening behind the scenes on your network? Wireshark lets you peek into every packet of data, like being a fly on the wall of your internet. This network traffic analyzer captures and displays data in real time, giving you a front row seat to everything from someone binge-watching cat videos to a mysterious file transfer you didn't authorize. It's basically a microscope for your internet, perfect for spotting unusual traffic, troubleshooting problems, or catching vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. Free, beginner-friendly, and compatible across platforms, Wireshark is a must-have whether you're a curious newbie or a pro keeping your digital fortress secure. At number 2, we have Metasploit framework. Imagine a tool that lets you play hacker without actually breaking anything. That's Metasploit. It's designed to test system vulnerabilities by using pre-built exploits to find security weaknesses, all while keeping things nice and legal. Ethical hackers use Metasploit to simulate real-world cyber attacks, helping companies patch up their systems before the bad guys get a chance. With its user-friendly interface and integration, Metasploit makes penetration testing feel like a walk in the park, if that park was full of digital landmines. Regular updates with the latest exploits keep you ahead of the game, whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or a pro fine-tuning your skills. All right, folks, the wait is over. Coming in at number 1, we have none other than Nmap. I know you want tools that you haven't heard before, but believe me, Nmap gives every reason to be on this list. Want to explore an entire network like a digital detective? Nmap is your ultimate tool for mapping networks and finding vulnerabilities. Nmap is a free and powerful network scanner that allows you to discover devices, open ports, and running services on a network. It's like creating a detailed map of a network to see exactly how everything is connected. Ethical hackers use Nmap to identify potential weak points, like open ports that could be exploited by attackers. It supports a wide range of scan types, from simple ping sweeps to advanced port scanning and service detection, giving you the flexibility to analyze any network. Highly customizable and with advanced scripting capabilities, Nmap allows you to automate tasks and tailor scans to your specific needs. Plus, it's cross-platform, working seamlessly on Windows, Linux, and macOS. Whether you're securing your home Wi-Fi or performing in-depth penetration testing for enterprise systems, Nmap makes network scanning efficient, precise, and straightforward, without the need for expensive tools. All right, guys, that's a wrap on the best hacking tools to kickstart your ethical hacking journey. Now you've got the tools, so go out there and start exploring networks. Responsibly, of course. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, and maybe a few coffee breaks in between.